Hello everyone, welcome back to our series of videos on trigonometry. In the last session, we just did this table, means how do we easily able to identify the values of each of the trigonometric ratios, right? So that time we had seen this this table, how do we create that, right? So now using these values, how do we solve some of the problems we'll be seeing in this particular session? Let's move on to the first question. Question number 1. We need to evaluate what is sine 60 degrees multiplied by cos 30 degrees plus sine 30 degrees multiplied by cos 60 degrees. So we need to only refer to the table, whatever we created in the previous. What is the value of sine 60? Value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So let us substitute that. Root of 3 by 2. What is cos 60? Sorry, cos 30. Cos 30 is again root 3 by plus sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is also 1 by 2. So if we multiply these terms, it will be 3 by 4 and this will be 1 by 4. Ultimately it is 1. So the result of this problem is 1. Now let us move on to the next question. It is 2 times tan square 45. So we need, what is the value of tan 45? Let's go back to the table. Tan 45, it is 1. So 2 times 1 the square, because it is tan square 45 plus cos 30. Cos 30 we had already seen, it is root 3 by 2 and there is a square there, minus sine square 60. That is also root 3 by 2. And since there is a square, we'll be substituting that. This and this gets cancelled. So ultimately we have 2 into 1 square. 2 into 1 square is nothing but 2 into 1. So it becomes 2. So let's move on to the 13th question. It's in the form of a ratio. We need to only substitute the values. 5 times cos square 60. What is cos 60? Let's go back to the table. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 the square plus 4 times secant square 30. Means first we have to write what is secant 30. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 the square minus tan 45 the square. I think we already did tan 45 is 1. So it is 1 square. The whole thing divided by sine 30. Cos 60 and sine 30 both will be the same value. So here it will be 1 by 2 square. Let's check that. What is sine 30 in the table? Sine 30 is, yeah, it is 1 by 2. Plus cos 30 the square. What is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Now we have to substitute root 3 by 2 the square. So that will work out to 1 by 2 the square is 1 by 4. 5 into 1 by 4 will become 5 by 4. And plus 4 times this 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 will become 4 by 3. 4 by 3 multiplied by 4. So it will become 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 by 4. And this will become 3 by 4. So in the numerator, the LCM is 12. So 4 3s are, that means 5 into 3, 15. 3 4s are, so that means 16 into 4, it is 64 minus 12 divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 1. So it is simply getting divided by 1. Now in the numerator, 15 minus 12 is 3. 3 plus 64 is 67. So the result is 67 by 12. Okay, so that ends with this. Let us move on to the next one. It is given tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b is given to be square root of 3, and tan a minus b is given as 1 by root 3, where it is given a plus b is lying between 0 and 90. 90 is included, and angle A is greater than angle B. We are supposed to find what is, what is angle A and what is angle B. So first let us write tan of A plus B is given as root 3. Now let us go back and see what is root 3 in the table, where it is available. If we look into this tan and this root 3, actually root 3 comes, if I take tan 60, that means tan 60 is root 3. So let me write that. This should be equal to tan of 60 degrees. So from this, I can imply that this A plus B should be equal to 60 degrees. A plus B equal to 60 degrees. Then the next one, tan of A minus B is given as 1 by root 3. So where in tan values, where 1 by 3 is coming? 1 by 3 is coming in the second column, which is related to 30 degrees. So I can write this as tan 30 degrees, which means we can conclude that A minus B is 30 degrees. Now let us consider this as equation 1, this as equation 2. Let's add 1 plus first equation and second equation. What do we get? Let me rub this. So we will have, if I add this, I will have 2 times A is equal to 90 degrees, which means A is 45 degrees. Now that we have got what is the value of A, it is easy for us to find what is the value of B by substituting in any of the equations. Let me substitute in equation 1. So 45 degrees plus B should be equal to 60 degrees, which means our B value should be 15 degrees. That's the values of A and B. So in this video, we had seen some 4 different problems where we had used those trigonometric values for specific angles to solve these problems, right? So in case if you feel that the contents in this video are good enough, I would request you to please like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you, we'll again meet again in our subsequent videos, again in trigonometry only. In the meantime, thanks.